Well, I guess I decided probably about a month ago that I just needed a change in my life. Just really got sick of, like, currently I'm working about 3 different jobs in Darwin at the moment, and some of the previous jobs particularly involved a lot of hoop jumping and pleasing employers and lots of time schedules, and to the point where I was just often just really tired and just didn't have the energy to sort of do the things that I wanted to do and not have the freedom to visit friends and family and miss out on a lot of events from interstate. So I just thought I'd really need to take control of my life and sign up to this course and really just take some drastic measures to hopefully get some, what I've learned from, I guess, doing all the many different steps that I guess are listed in the modules. I haven't had a chance to go through all the modules yet because they had to be done sequentially, and it's good that this is all sort of summarised, from what to do first, going through what to do, the following steps right through to the very end. So essentially I've found it as a bit of an overview of all the things that I have to go through that I suppose I would have covered had I done all the training videos. I guess I have started doing the training videos relatively late. I kind of got a bit of an idea of what to expect when I continue doing those training videos. There's a lot of good things. Well, I found it really good knowing that Alex is actually someone that's real, I guess. As I said, that's very approachable. That was a really good thing. Having different presenters as well, giving different point of views on different aspects or different chapters. Yeah, I'd say definitely go for it. I certainly think it offers certainly opportunities and possibilities that you wouldn't get doing a normal 9 to 5 job, or in my case 3 9 to 5 jobs.